Okay, so we're at Le Mans, but we're not in Le Mans Ultimate. We're on iRacing. We're in the Ferrari. We're not as quick as I'd hoped. I think we're 11th on the grid. The fast guys are really fast. I mean, 4 seconds a lap quicker. But we'll see if we can keep with the pack, keep up on the long straights, not get involved in any incidents. I think is the key thing. We're going to have cold tyres. I know people are wobbling about, but I think you end up with warm front tyres and then you end up with oversteer. So we'll see. We'll see how we get on. We're probably going to go green in the middle of the chicane, which is not great for us. Pace car is off. Everyone's very twitchy by the looks of it.
Green, green,
it's green. Yeah, there we go. So middle of the chicane, which is not good. Gave us a bit of breathing space behind. Yeah, it's just getting through this first few corners. Bloody hell! Bloody hell! That scared me. That did. Have I got damage? I think I have.
You've got some damage.
Oh, meatball.
Oh,
no, I can't do a lap like that.
Oh, pal, I'm sorry. I didn't.
Unbelievable. Okay, what happened here then? This is just ridiculous, isn't it? First lap. I don't know if we'd even crossed the line, have we? What's going on then? So somebody's moving around. Yeah, it's the leaders. All the leaders, look. Takes out most of the front part of the grid. And that's where... Oh, I just hit that car and I nearly got through and it's just... Oh. I did think about starting from the pits. Maybe I should have done. Well, day 2 of my epic week. Let's see. Let's see how we finish anyway. I'll see you when I'm going again. Well, we had 4 minutes of towing, 4 minutes of repair, plus another minute of repair, optional repair. Then I went out, forgot to put my pit lead speed limiter on, and then got a stop go for 40 seconds, came in and surfed that, forgot to unjet my tyres, so I was into pits for another minute. We've come round and yeah, another disaster. Anyway, let's have a look at those incidents. Okay, here's the start. This is where it all went wrong again. And it's the leaders, the top 3 up ahead. You can see they're three wide, and then one of them comes across and they all get into each other. And we only just saw this. I thought I was going to get through just, and I mean, it was not a big touch, but it was a lot of damage, and that was it for me. So what else happened? Okay, this is a bit further up the field. After that crash, so somebody's gone off, just over-rotated, and then come back on unsafely. Should have just held his brakes. Okay, and then what have we got? Again, near the front. Oh dear. Gosh, that was a big crash. Unusual place to go off. And then what we got? Someone else going off as well. Cold tyres. That is the problem with these. Oh dear. And now, where are we? Okay, that's the first chicane, I think. Yeah. Oh dear. Lost his wing. Oh dear. And got hit by somebody. Now what have we got? Again, first laps. This is just going to be hitting the barrier, I think. Yeah. Gosh, that was a big hit though. Blimey. This is going to be the same thing again. Hitting the barrier. Yeah. Not enough grip. And again, same thing, I think. Oh no. No. That was a much bigger hit. Unlucky. And then is this going to be a tap into the chicane? Yes, it is. Is that a push to pass? I mean, Okay, and then what's this going to be? This is going to be a wall. He's hit the curb. Yeah, hit the wall. Made a mess of that. This is going to be the wall again, isn't it? Yeah. You just see it come in. And then, oh, just caught that exit barrier. And then, oh, that really put him off, didn't it? Blimey. This is going to be the wall again. We know that, I think. Yeah, there they go. And then this is going to be... Oh, what's this going to be then? Oh, unusual. Once you've got that far into the corner, generally, you make it. Okay, lucky no one was coming. Oh, dear. He span again. And that was it. Oh, dear. What a mess. Tiny loss of safety rating, not too much of a loss of I rating. That could have been so much worse. I mean, I only did... How many laps did I do? I'm all the way down here. I was 2 laps down. I think I did 4 laps then, by the looks of it. Yeah. Oh dear, best lap for 58.9, and I could have gone quicker on that lap, but yeah, a bit slow compared to everyone else. 54.7, yeah. We're fair way off, aren't we? But if we got through that first melee, we'd have been, I think, top 10 quite easily, I think. But yeah, this has not been a good start to the week. That's 2 days in a row now. It's got to get better. Well, if you want to see it get better, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.